In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your SharePoint and OneDrive files locally on your computer. Managing your files effectively ensures that you have access to important documents even when you're offline. It's a simple process that guarantees your files are always available right at your fingertips. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open your Windows File Explorer. This is where you'll have access to all your files and folders, both stored on your computer and cloud-based. If you're not familiar with how to do this, simply click on the folder icon, typically found in your taskbar, or you could press the Windows key plus E for a shortcut. Once your File Explorer is open, the next step is to navigate to your OneDrive folder. You'll find this on the left pane of your Explorer, under the Quick Access section or the Navigation pane. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud service which houses all the files and folders you have synced with your account. It's important to locate this as it links directly to what you have on SharePoint. Now that you're in your OneDrive folder, you should look for the specific file or folder you want to keep local on your device. Take your time to ensure you have the correct documents or directories, especially if you have a large number of files. This step is essential for organizing and managing your files as per your preferences. After locating the desired file or folder, right-click on it. Doing so will open a context menu with various options. This is a crucial action as it will lead you to the choice that allows you to make files locally accessible. In the context menu, you will see an option titled Always Keep on this device. Select this option. When you choose this, you are directing OneDrive to download this file or folder and store it on your device permanently. It means that irrespective of your internet connectivity, you'll have unhindered access to these files. Finally, you might notice a change in the status icon of the file or folder. It should now appear as a green circle with a white check mark. This new icon is a visual confirmation that these files are now safely stored locally on your device, providing you peace of mind that you can access them whenever needed without online dependency. And there you have it, a straightforward method to ensure your critical files are always available offline. Storing your SharePoint and OneDrive files locally not only boosts accessibility, but also serves as a backup in case of internet issues.